Here we go, Chuck Sports Cards. It is April the 3rd. We are doing a mixer break. 2 Crown, 2 Limited, 2 Absolute, and 1 Spectra. Here is the team list. This break will be uploaded to YouTube. If you're not subscribed to us, please subscribe to our Breakers channel. Good luck to everybody in. Alright, here we go. Let's start with Crown Royal. Good luck, everyone. Thank you for filling it. Hope everybody gets something. 4 packs of Crown. Empty box. Pack 1. Looks like a relic. Got Jonathan Cyprian to 199. A base of Jawan Jameson. Colin Kaepernick. Base. Wes Welker base. And the hit for the Sea Chickens. Looks a lot like NT after looking at NT so much lately. Christine Michael, 29 of 299. Seahawks Falcons combo is next G. Next G on the board. Yeah, I never realized it until you start busting all this NT. It looks a lot like NT on those that design. Here we go, pack 2. Yeah, let's see. Tony Romo. Alec Ogletree for the Rams. Nah, I don't have... All I have, Ditka Bear Sausage. I have 3 loose boxes left. I've got more cases coming tomorrow. I blew through like 12 plus cases. London Fletcher. And autograph. Purple to 5 for the Falcons. Next G. With the combo spot, 5 of 5, purple, Robert Alford. Atlanta Falcons. Next G doing work. First 2 packs, London Fletcher, that's a decoy. Next G doing work, 2 packs, 2 hits. We got a redemption. We got a redemption. I'm going to do it like this. Chris Johnson, 91 of 99 for the Titans. Levine Tualolo for the Falcons. Anquan Bolden. Base. Brandon Whedon. And Crown Royal Rookie Silhouette Autographs, 215, Joseph Randle for the Cowboys. Joseph Randle, Cowboys is GC Hockey. On this Reality Flare, I probably will. Because just about everything is numbered. So yeah, I'll send out base on this. Only way I want is if like you get one non-numbered base card or something. But if you want your base, I'll send it to you. It's not a big deal. For these breaks, if it was something that had a ton of base cards, then no. But for this one, we will. Last pack. This is thick, too. This might be a patch. Alright, here we go. We'll do it like this. Russell Shepard, 131 of 199. Congrats, GC. First hit in the last 8 breaks. Russell Shepard and the LSU boy. Sierra Wood of the Texans. Maurice Jones-Drew. Oh, yeah, so they hit you hard. Phillip Rivers, base, and for the Redskins, pretty nice patch right here. Pillars of the Game. Santana Moss, 19 of 25. Redskins, that is gold 868. Gold 868 on the board. Pillars of the Game. That is box 1 of Crown Royal. Go into box 1 of Limited. Box 1 of Limited. Here we go. Good luck. Pack. Empty box. I'm sure there's a lot of people that would like to disagree with that. Here we go. I think we got base up top here. Here we go. Good luck. First pack of Limited. Cornelius Carradine to 49. Phenom Spotlight. Randall Cobb base. Number to 399. Chris Ivory base. Number to 399. Dave Casper Legend base to 349. First hits for the Ravens, a gold version. Aaron Millette, gold for the Ravens. That's going to be the Chiefs-Ravens combo. Joey at 816. Joey at 816. There you go. That is a gold number to 25. Yeah, so shiny. Next, for the 49ers, 194 of 199, Vance McDonald. Vance McDonald. And then here is the hit. The last hit. It is a Phenoms patch. Spotlight to 49. Tyler Eifert. 23 of 49. Tyler Eifert. Phenom autograph. That's the Bengals. Bengals is Keith Becker. Keith Becker on the board. Eifert. There you go, Keith. You're on the board, man. All right, let's do the first box of Absolute. First box of Absolute. I'm going to open up all 4 minis, and then we'll do the any thin packs first. And thick ones last. Empty box. A Geo? I'll try, man. I'll try. First pack is thin. Empty. Empty. Second pack. Thicker. And that's empty. Next. Empty. Thick one. Last box. Last pack of this box. Empty. Another thin one. 2 thins, 2 thicks. Here we go. Good luck. We'll start with the thin ones. Must be like this. Joe Flacco, base. David Wilson, base. Elam hit. Manti Te'o, Hog Heaven. It is a Texan. It is a Texan. Alan Boner. Boner. 316 of 499. Alan Bonner. Spectrum rookie auto. And last card is Matt Elam rookie to 499. I know how it is, GC. GC, I gotta have a little fun with it, man. We're gonna call him Boner. I don't care how it's supposed to be said. Here we go. Pack 2 of Absolute. Tavares King. Tavares King to 499 for the Broncos. Jordy Nelson base. Jake Locker. Jake Locker base. Hog Heaven of Phillip Rivers. And the next, it is a thin, a Tavares King. Tavares King, 12 of 499 for the Broncos. Broncos are Von Fisher. 12 of 499 for Von Fisher. All right. Let's go with this one. This one's like jersey thickness. No monsters. No monsters. Pack 3. First one, Michael Vick for the Eagles. Jason Witten base for the Cowboys. Gavin Escobar, Gold Spectrum rookie to 25. To 25, 11 of 25, Gavin Escobar. Cowboys is GC Hockey. Honey Badger. Hog Heaven Honey Badger. Cardinals. Abel Burr fan. And the hit. The hit. Jumbo jersey to 25. Autograph. Nice. Manti Te'o. RPM Jumbo jersey 17 of 25. The Chargers. Who's got the Chargers? Zelo. Zelo has the Chargers. Congrats, man. Alright, and last hit, or last pack of this box is alright, here we go. Brandon Whedon base. Ryan Matthews base. Dennis Johnson to $4.99. Adrian Peterson. And last card, Team Trios. Team Trios for the Falcons. Julio Jones, Matt Ryan, and Roddy White. Is that Next G again? Next G, I just got to let you know, man, this card does have a ding corner on it. It's the way it came out the pack. Yeah, it's got... If you can see that, I just want to make sure you see it. That's how it came out the pack. If it's too bad, Panini might do something for you to replace that. Got booted for a minute. Did you miss anything? There was the triple of Matt Ryan, Roddy White, and Julio. And there was a nice Manti Te'o to 25. Joe, you got something. You got something earlier. Ravens had an autograph to 25. Did you see that? Did you see the Ravens autograph? You got a hit. Aaron Millett. Aaron Millett, gold. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's it. All right, here we go. We're going to go back to Crown Royal. Try to get the focus back. Back to Crown. Here we go. Empty box. Now let's see. These Crown cards are so mixed up. Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, base. Xavier Rhodes to 199 for the Vikings. Nah, I don't think there's been a Titans hit yet. Kiko Alonso, rookie. Andrew Luck, base. Oh, this pack? Yeah, nope. Ndamukong Suh. Pro Bowl. 170 of 299 for the Lions. Jags Lions is Von Fisher. Von Fisher. Next pack. 2 out of 4. This is going to be a autograph. Tony Romo. insert for the Cowboys. Russell Shepard, rookie. Matt Schaub. Percy Harvin. And autograph of Kobe Hamilton. This is a decoy. Kobe Hamilton, 6/99. For the Bengals, Keith Baker. Keith Baker with another hit. I think that's your second hit. Let's see if one of these is different from the other. Nope, not really. Yeah, I've got, I had 100 auctions in a couple nights ago, so people need to start paying for stuff. Alright, you got Santonio Holmes. Base. Gold, David Amerson. 10/99 for the Redskins. What's up, Jay Woods? Zach Dysert. Rookie. Robert Griffin. This is a mixer. Mixer, Jay Woods. Football mixer. Here we go. Marquise Goodwin patch. Nice patch. 4/49. Rookie royalty. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice patch. The Bills is Von Fisher. Von Fisher. Von Fisher, if you weren't subscribed to us before, you might want to do it, buddy. You got pretty decent luck in here. Alright, here we go. Last pack of Crown. Looking for a silhouette. I think we got one. I think we got a silhouette. I'm going to turn it like this. Jack Doyle. Jack Doyle. Chris Givens. Danny Amendola base. Tony Romo base. It is a blue jersey. Let's see how sick it is. Neon Jordan. Sometimes they have sick patches. It's not a bad patch. It's actually got 4 colors. That Romo is 9/199. There is 4 colors. There. That's Zelo. Dolphins is the Zelo. The Panthers-Dolphins combo. That box had some nice patches in it. Empty. Limited. Last box of limited. Here we go. Let me check this IM real quick. Esper, if you're in here watching, man, it's whenever is good, man. Whenever is good. Glad you're in here hanging out, buddy. Empty box. And this one's thicker. This one's thick. Must have an extra hit in it. Field vision could be. Yeah, could be. Yeah, there's 4 thick cards in here. 4 thickies. All right, for the Raiders, Jacoby Ford to 49. For the Redskins, short print version, Spotlight, 21 of 25, Jawan Jameson. Next, base of Antonio Brown. Guys, if you like this break and this type of stuff, I'm going to be doing a lot of this during the week. It's all not always going to be NT and real expensive. I'm going to try to do some more $30, $35 type breaks when possible. So if you like this type of stuff, make sure you're subscribed and get the notifications. I'll be doing them often. The Affordable Break Act. Barkevius Mingo, LSU to 299. There's somebody called the Field Vision, Von Fisher. With the Field Vision, D'Angelo Hall for the Redskins. Redskins are gold 868. D'Angelo Hall. These are real cool. The Field Visions are real cool. If you haven't seen them before, they're really cool. Oh, that's nice. We're going to have a random, unless somebody owns the Bills and the Titans. Von Fisher owns the Bills. Who owns the Titans? Gage the Dog owns the Titans. Earl Campbell, Thurman Thomas, 25 of 49. Yeah, Gage the Dog, the player who makes the card. And Bills. Von Fisher and Gage the Dog, you will be random for that card. We'll probably do odd even if you guys are okay with that. That's a good looking card. Next, somebody asked for a Geo earlier. It's not autographed, but for the Bengals, Keith Becker. 17 of 99. Keith Becker. And the last hit. Oh, I see the logo. Not bad, not bad. Rookie. Marcus Lattimore. I'll take it. 54 of 299. Patch. Autograph. Lattimore for the Niners. For the Niners. All right, here we go. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Did you see me drop $50 on the Dolphins and the pre-price teams last night and get absolutely zero? Here we go. Absolute last box. I did. I tried to sell it. I did try to sell it. I like Lattimore, though. I'm cool with that. I'll probably wind up sending that to Red and Gold Blooded anyway, so. Alright, here we go. That's a fat one. I'm going to try to get you something reality flair. Who do you have? Rams and Patriots. Try to work on you a Ram, man. Giants. Yeah, I forgot DC LaFreux. Try to get you a Giant. Who else is sending requests? Remember too that Spectra is gonna have 12 hits in it. So if you don't have anything yet, Spectra is gonna have 12 hits in it. 2 thins. Well, 2 thins. Empty. And a fatty. Chief is due? Okay. I hope everybody gets something. First pack of Absolute. All right. For the Texans to $4.99, Alan Boner. We've already had him once. Alan Boner. Stevie Johnson. Base for the Bills. Matt Flynn. Why are they still making Matt Flynn cards? Matt Flynn. Go Tigers, but oh well. Drew Brees. Hog Heaven for the Saints. Who's got that Saints combo? Jordan. Because they can. And first hit. Somebody asked for a Chief. There is a Chief. Ravens Chiefs. Joey 816. Tyler Bray. Rookie autograph. 478 of 499. Tyler Bray. Yep. All right, I got one card that I needed to get from people. For people. Next pack. Jonathan Stewart, base. Shit, I'd love to see that TA. Hog Heaven, Boss Hog. 7 of 99, Gavin Escobar for the Cowboys. GC Hockey. Stevie Johnson, 5 of 99. Spectrum. Cameron Newton. Hog Heaven. Thin Auto. For the Niners. 93 of 99. Vance McDonald. I don't, Jay Woods. I'm trying to get some more. Vance McDonald for the Niners. Here we go. Let's see. That one. They're both pretty thick. Good luck. I like the color of this one. Let's see. Jeremy Maclin. Looks like it might be lower numbered. Peyton Manning. Base. Vincent Jackson. Spectrum Black. 40-49. Yeah. My screen just went black, so but it's not black on breakers, just my computer went to sleep. Vincent Jackson, 49 of 49. The Bucks are MJ Dudley. Next, Hog Heaven of Keenan Allen. And the hits. Well, this was one that somebody had asked for. Reality Flare. I didn't leave you high and dry. Nice one. Tavon Austin. Triple patch auto. 3 color, 1 color, 2 color. 24 of 49. Reality Flare. I told you I'd try to get you, brother. Alright, so we got Reality Flare hits. Who else? We need DC LaFrue. We need Giants card. How about a Jets? Okay, Mahogany. I'm going to work on it. I don't know if y'all don't ask. This one could be a new team, too. Not positive, but it could be. Chris Johnson for the Titans. Christian Ponder. Eric Reed for the 49ers to 499. LSU guy. Take a Breeze 101. Yeah. Pull a Breeze 101. It's going to be hard for it to leave this store. Jamal Charles, Hog Heaven. And the last card. Somebody was asking for this. Jordan. It's not Drew Brees, but it's nice. 12 of 25. Kenny Stills. Patch. 2 color, 3 color, 1 color. There's a lot of guys in this room that like that. 12 of 25, Kenny Stills. Saints fans like Kenny Stills a lot. I think he's got a lot of upside. Trying to get it to focus. Jordan, you said burn it? Yeah, I can't get it to focus. Alright, that is it for Absolute. Good box of Absolute. And we're catching some teams back. We need to get... I know DC needs something. Ramcanator's still looking. There's a bunch of people out there, so I don't want to leave anybody out. So I'll stop talking. Spectra. Here we go. We'll open it 1 mini at a time. Six packs. I'll leave them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Empty. Alright, good luck. If you haven't gotten a hit yet, I'm pulling for you right here. We got 12 hits left. Looking for Eagles, looking for Vikings. Yeah, Emerald and Spectra would be awesome. The Emeralds are great looking cards. Pack 1. Dang, y'all want to save that one? That's got the 2 thick ones in it. We'll save that one. 2 thick ones is usually the RPA. I'm going to just put it right there. Empty box. And if there's 2 thin ones, that's usually the on card. Alright, we'll start with this one. Empty box. Chris Johnson for the Titans. Lamar Miller for the Dolphins. This is a red. City Limits red. Chris Johnson for the Titans. That is Gage the Dog, number 16 of 25. Jersey, nice one. Dang, this is nice. Rookie combo jerseys. Jets or Mahogany. Bills is Von Fisher. Von Fisher is going to have a couple randoms. And this is to 25. It's red. 6 of 25. Gino and EJ. And the last card of this pack. Autograph for the Redskins. Chris Thompson. Chris Thompson for the Redskins. That is gold, 868. What? I've been cracking stuff, Miller. Where you been? NT. We've been doing NT. Seems like for last month. Next pack. Next pack. Empty. And this is going to be it for me tonight. I got some stuff to take care of. Empty. Unless somebody wants single boxes, I'm not going to do another break tonight. Alright, here we go. Eddie Royal base. Randall Cobb for the Packers. Matt McGloin. Phenoms. There's a Patriot Blue. Amendola. $66 of 99. Only you, Miller. I only ask you that. 66 of 99. I can't get it to go in. Next. For the Chargers. Zelo. Zelo doing pretty good with the Chargers in this break. Malcolm Floyd. Malcolm Floyd. I think this is a blue. Numbered to 99. It does look, Zelo, it's got a little peel across the top. You can see right above his helmet. Right there. That's the way it came out. Panini's got a little bit of quality control. Wow, there we go. Well, you asked for it earlier, Keith Becker. Zelo is going to come pick it up. I'll take care of it. There you go, Keith Becker. You asked for it earlier. Geo. Geo on card. Auto. $6 of 99. And it's nice looking, man. It's a good looking card. On card. Refractor. There we go. So that was pack number 2. We hit one of the on cards. Let's hope we hit a redemption. If we hit a redemption in this, it's usually one of the good veterans. Empty. I want to say thank you again to everyone for joining. I know I see some new names in the room today, and I greatly appreciate you coming by and hanging out and joining. I hope you're all enjoying the break. I know some are doing better than others, but I just want you guys to know that we appreciate you coming in and hanging out and breaking with us. Chris Givens for the Rams. Maurice Jones-Drew. Collector's Corner. Maurice Jones-Drew. Base. Keenan Allen. Geno Refractor. Geno Rookie Refractor. Numbered 68 of 99. These cards are so dark. It's 68 of 99 on the Geno. Well, we just keep the hits rolling for the Bengals. Blue. Benjavis. Green Ellis. $14 of 99 for the Bengals. Keith Baker. Yeah. Sorry, the focus on this is terrible. These cards are so shiny. And last hit of this pack is going to go to Reality Flare. Benny Cunningham. Refractor Rookie. Auto. Keith, yeah, I hope you send it. If you didn't send us goods, you can send us goods in the future. You don't have to send gift. 261 of 299. But yes, if you did, then please send me some goods so that I can get your package shipped out tomorrow. Next pack. Try to end on the RPA. Empty. Here we go. Fred Jackson for the Bills. Matt Stafford for the Lions. Blue, Aaron Dobson, Cityscapes. Oh, we did get a green. 34 of 99 of 49. 34 of 49. Oh, damn focus. Green. Oh, it's a green, but I don't think it's an emerald. Greg Jennings. Von Fisher, who was that? That was Dobson. The blue was Dobson. No. Dudley, I don't think there's been any of those teams. Greg Jennings, green. Yeah, not numbered. This is nice. Where's old Trevor at? For the Titans, Justin Hunter. Where's old Justin Hunter fan at? Titans. Gage the dog. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's green. It's green. 1 of 5. One of 5. Yeah. It's 1 of 5, trust me. And last card of this pack for the Colts. Titans, Colts. Kill that pack. Gage. Kerwin Williams for the Colts to $2.99. These things are so shiny. That's why they don't pick up very well on camera. They psych the camera out. All right, one more, and then we do the RPA pack. If you're in the break, too, stick around. Stick around, stick around, stick around. Ah, there's two thick, two doubles. Empty pack. All right. Two thicks. I don't know what that means. Maybe we did get a veteran. Okay. I don't know. I don't know, Keith. I've opened up a good bit of this. I don't know. Might have had a box before that had two thick packs in it. Joe Flacco. Marcus Colston. Stephen Taylor, City Limits Refractor for the Cardinals. That is 6/99. See, that white border, that white back works a lot better on focusing. For the Ravens, Bernard Pierce. For the Ravens, Bernard Pierce. Ravens are the combo spot. Joey at 8/16. Next, Xavier Rhodes, rookie. And last hit of this pack, for the Niners, that Xavier Rhodes was numbered to 99. Colin Kaepernick, jumbo jersey. Also got peeling on the top to $2.99. Guys, if you're in this break, just stick around for just a second after. I've got the randoms to do, but I also have something else. Last pack of the break. This one should have the RPA in it. David Wilson. Yeah, 3-hit pack, so we got an extra hit. So we got 35. Josh Gordon. Jordan Cameron, blue. Ooh. 3/99. Jordan Cameron, blue to 99. Then the RPA blue version, Landry Jones for the Steelers. Who's got the Steelers? Abel Bear fan. 3-color patch auto on card. Nice looking card too. Numbered 39/49. I don't know if Abel Bear fan's still in here. Must not. And last hit of the break, it was 2 RPAs. Or 2 jersey. This is a jersey auto. Sharif Floyd for the Vikings. Collector's Corner. A Viking. Collector's Corner. 55/99. And that is it. that is it for the break. Thank you again for everybody joining. Let me cut the recording off.